Yeah, our family farming operation is based at Noorong, about 60 kilometres from Swan Hill, Victoria, focused on rice, irrigated cereals, irrigated fodders and dryland cereals. So we've had a field boss for I think 5 years now. It's a 108 plate, 12 metre field boss, and it gets used frequently on farm. Prior to land forming, we'll do cultivation in front of sowing our urea for rice paddocks, and also to improve the seed bed for our cereal crops. So we'll cultivate and then board for a cereal crop if the clay soil type needs it. Prior to when I came back to the farm, we have had another smaller disc, but we moved to a grizzly disc when we outgrew the old one, and then we had a 60 plate swinger, and 5 years ago we upgraded to the 108 plate field boss. Predominantly we went to the wider machine to cover more area more quickly, so it's been quite good, and its width is matched to our 12 metre multiples, which is what our machinery is based on and our irrigation layouts are based on. So that's why we went that way.